Okay, we've just arrived at our accommodation, and if you have a look at this over here, you can see the view is fantastic. Well, we're staying at the top there, so I'll just take you up there now and show you. This is our bedroom. Cupboards, lovely view, look at that. Wow. And then our kitchen. Nice little kitchen. But look at this. You can't see it now, but you'll see it as I get closer. Look at that. Crazy. How's this view? This is a corner window. Stunning view. They say, if you look over there, there's a little water thing over there. The bushbuck come here and they drink water. You can watch the bushbuck every day. They come. They say they should be here this afternoon. I actually forgot to show you the bathroom. This is the bathroom with a shower. And then there's another bedroom which we ain't gonna use. There's a balcony over here with a view to die for. You might be wondering now, why have I paused the video at this stage? I'm really excited. I ordered a drone, and in this video will be the first drone footage that I took on our trip. But I wanted to share the moment I went and collected the drone, unpacked it, and the first time I flew the drone with you guys as well. So I hope you enjoy this section.
Where are we going now? Oh, Takealot. What are we picking up at Takealot?
My DJI Mini SE drone. Can I go eat some? Thank you, thank you. Good day there. I've been waiting for this day for a very long time. We've just been to Takealot to go pick up the drone I ordered. It's the DJI Mini SE Fly More combo kit, which I bought. Got myself 2 SD cards. Perfect. And here it is. Let's open this up. What? I never expected it to be this small. Wowzer. Look at this. Now I understand why they call it the Mini. Jeepers creepers, it's small. Amazing. Okay, so this is the little drone. We first take out this is the battery pack. The drone apparently has a battery inside of it, and here are 2 batteries inside, plus this is like the charging hub. You put all your batteries in here and you can charge them all at once. And what I also saw was that you can use this as a power bank as well to charge a cell phone or something like that too, once all these batteries are charged. So that's pretty cool. And this is how the battery comes out. Freaky deaky. Okay. And these are all the cables that come with it. And all the extras. Oh, it's all the extra propellers and Look at this, all the extra propellers. If you do break the propellers, you got the extras. All the different cables, because there's so many different phones nowadays with different connections. They try to cover all their bases by sending you all the cables. These are the charging cables. I hear this one is for the drone itself. This one is for the controller. And these are all cables for iPhones and Samsungs and Android and whatnot all. So, and then a little screwdriver with screws and things like that to attach the propellers to the drone if you do need to change them out. Let me take a little drone out. I've still got to take all the little stickers off and everything like that. And see how it opens up. I don't want to force anything, we just now break it. And that's all I need right now. And this is the controller. What I saw on with everybody else showing what it looked like, it looked actually quite flimsy, but it doesn't feel that flimsy to me. Okay, so this is how it opens up, and you hook your phone in here. Yes, the cable I was talking about, the cable that attached. Now this is apparently for the iPhone, so I'll have to just change this out because I use Android, Samsung, so. Wow, okay, and then all the instructions that come with, quite a load of instructions that come with it. So that's it. Very, very interesting. So I just wanted to say thanks for joining us on this trip. It's the first day of our 5th week, and if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next video.